Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Lee and this is a 10th grade world history lecture about Bismarck and the unification of Germany. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Today's lesson is Bismarck and the unification of Germany. On becoming Prussian Chancellor in 1862, Otto von Bismarck sets out to unite the German states under Prussian leadership. Bismarck would pursue the Kleindeutsch solution to unification. Kleindeutsch literally means Little Germany. Why? Because Austria was to be excluded for its power would challenge Prussia's ability to dominate. Remember, both Germany and Austria speak German, so if to unite the German states, he would have to exclude Austria, and that's why it's called Little Germany, because he's not including all the German states. Alright, so how does Bismarck unite the German states? The first thing he does is start a war with Denmark, which is known as the Danish War of 1864. Both Prussia and Austria easily defeat Denmark. The Gaston Convention places the Duchy of Schleswig and Holstein under the powers, respectively. Now, this comes into conflict as two great powers are controlling these duchies. The Austro-Prussian War of 1866. Tension over the administration of the two duchies of Schleswig and Holstein leads to a 7 weeks war. Austria's defeat and the Treaty of Prague establishes Prussia as the only major power among the German states. Next, in 1867, Hanover, Hesse, Nassau, and Frankfurt are annexed by Prussia. This is known as the North German Confederation of 1867. A bicameral legislature is created. The Bundesrat, appointed by the government of the states, and the Reichstag, chosen by universal male suffrage. After uniting the northern German states together, in 1870, Bismarck starts the Franco-Prussian War. At the Battle of Sedan, Prussia not only defeats the French, but also captures Napoleon III. As a result of the war, the southern German states of Baden, Württemberg, and Bavaria joined the North Confederation, while the Confederation seizes control of the province of Alsace and part of the province of Lorraine from France. Now, as collectively as you can see, the red is the Northern Confederation, the orange is the southern parts of the German states that decided to join, and the light beige color you see on the far left, it was part of France, and now it is part of Germany. Instantly, Bismarck's Germany becomes the third greatest industrial power in the world, only behind Great Britain and the United States. Following the Franco-Prussian War, Bismarck worked tirelessly to establish a defensive military alliance for Germany, to protect the unified Germany, to isolate its longtime rival France diplomatically and militarily. As you can see here, the map shows Germany's alliances between all the different states that will help assure her security. By 1882, Bismarck had negotiated and established the Triple Alliance, which consisted of Austria-Hungary, Italy, and obviously Germany itself. Bismarck in 1887 also establishes a neutrality agreement with Russia known as the Reinsurance Treaty, as well as establishing a friendly relationship with Great Britain, both diplomatically and economically. In 1907, the Triple Entente was formed in response to the growing power of the Triple Alliance. Now remember, the Triple Alliance includes Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy, which in the map is red. The Triple Entente includes Russia, France, and Great Britain. Great Britain, France, and Russia forms an alliance to restore the balance of power in Europe. Now we ask ourselves, why is this lesson important? This is the road that Germany took to enter into World War I. Without Bismarck and the unification of Germany, Germany would have never entered into World War I, and we wouldn't have the Great War that we know today. Alright, for the remainder of this slide, we will be listening to the Imperial National Anthem of Germany. It sounds very similar to a song that we all know. So hopefully when you hear it, you can take a guess.